Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all will be fine today. I am gonna make a very fine decoration piece out of the waste you most of the time throw away on other than the pizza boxes. The thickness of pizza box is not enough to make a solid and shaped box. So we cut three strips for all four sides. And by gluing the 3 strips, we will generate a single side. Note that you take the dimensions according to your size. This is also a silicone glue, but you can surely use glue gun as well. But I feel comfortable with this one. Glue gun just makes a fuss at sometimes. Now we will glue 1 side strips together to make it thick enough. See, one of the side is ready. It is now reliably thick. So this was the minimal thickness we were aiming to generate a clean, solid look. Actually, in crafts, the main aim of every creative member here should be neatness. Glue for the other 3 sides. Now all 4 strips are ready. We will now cover it with a sheet. It could be a nice looking gift wrap or it could be glass paper. Or simply you could opt for paint. All will give you a neat look. But here I am going for a wrapping sheet whose pattern was a love. Now we will take the 4 strips and wrap them with the sheet one by one. I am simply skipping the wrapping process for your ease. So all the 4 sides are wrapped and ready. Now we will etch them to make a rectangular shape. So now all the 4 sides are attached. Such a beautiful box is in order watch till end. Now to complete the back side, we need a base that could really be made from single cardboard piece of pizza box. We will wrap it and put it as a base. So our base is ready. I just skipped the wrapping part so you people don't get bored. Next, we will paste our already made rectangle on this base to make it a proper box. At this time, I really thought to make it a gift box, but then I thought why I shouldn't make it a different thing. So here, I transformed it into a decoration piece. Now, of course, if I had intended to make it a decoration piece, the things placed would fall of it while on the wall. So as you all know, I like to reuse waste materials. I had a toy box from where I got the cardboard for the stopper kind thing. Just for your ease, I am fast forwarding the wrapping process. You all can make it. Just watch till the end. So we will put this covered cardboard at the bottom of the box. So guys, our elegant, stylish, simple decoration piece is ready. Easy to make, economical, and looks very unique on walls. We can place small artificial plants easily available in small markets, which are also economical, especially dollar stores, which are to be found in almost all countries have these small artificial plants. You can place books and other miscellaneous items, as well, pencil holders, stationery extra. In short, it's an all-in-one organizer as well.